In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily attach a file in ChatGPT and utilize its capabilities to process your documents. Whether you're looking to summarize a report, analyze a document, or just explore more features of this AI tool, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. First, we'll start by opening ChatGPT and initiating a new chat. This is your clean slate where all interactions will be fresh, allowing for focused and precise engagements with the AI. This is important because it ensures that the context is clear right from the start, especially when introducing a new document into the conversation. Next, you need to locate the paperclip or plus icon, conveniently placed next to the message box. This icon is your gateway to attaching the file you want ChatGPT to work with. Clicking on this icon will open a window that allows you to browse your computer's storage. Whether your file is on your desktop, in a dedicated folder, or otherwise, you'll be able to navigate directly to it. Once you've found the file, select it to attach it to your ChatGPT session. This is a crucial step because without attaching the file, you won't be able to provide the AI any content to analyze or discuss. Once you've successfully attached your file, it's time to give ChatGPT some instructions on what you'd like it to do with the file. Craft a brief and clear instruction so ChatGPT can understand your request accurately. For instance, you might say, summarize this PDF in 5 bullet points. This step is essential as it sets the task that ChatGPT will perform with the information in your file. Be precise with your instruction to get the most accurate output from the tool. After typing in your instructions, press Send. Simply click on the appropriate button or hit Enter. This action sends your request along with the attached document to ChatGPT for processing. Giving clear and concise instructions will enhance the likelihood of receiving an accurate and helpful response. Now, it's time to review ChatGPT's reply. Read through its response to ensure it meets your needs or expectations. The summary or analysis will appear in the chat window, allowing you to quickly assess the results. If the information provided doesn't align perfectly with your needs, you can refine your question or instruction and resend it for a more tailored response. Practicing these steps can refine your skills in leveraging ChatGPT for document-related tasks, making it an even more powerful tool in your digital toolbox. With these techniques, you'll streamline interactions and maximize the effectiveness of your AI communications.